Welcome to Minute Article. Do you know who are the security officers of network security systems standing in the first line of defense? Let's learn about firewalls in a minute. Hello and welcome to Minute Article. I would like to talk about the security officers of network security systems that are standing in the first line of defense. Yes, I am talking about firewalls that delays the work of cyber criminals who are trying to gain unauthorized access to the private data. Basically, a firewall protects the network by controlling and monitoring the incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined security rules. A firewall are of two categories, a hardware firewall and a software firewall. A hardware firewall is stored between the network and a gateway. An example of hardware firewall is a broadband router. A software firewall is a software program working through ports or number of applications. While analyzing the network traffic, a firewall can immediately block the unwanted traffic from non-reliable sources, hence protecting the system from hackers and malicious software. This security tool provides better security and increased privacy. Nowadays, firewalls are pre-installed in operating system with a security software to secure the sensitive information from increased sophisticated cyber attacks. Are there any chances that the periodic database update of firewall miss an unobserved malware? Your answer matters. If you like my articulation, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Minute Article. Next Thursday, I will be back again with some more new insights. This is me, Madhuri Desai, signing off.